everyone, I am Rowena Taton and I am going to discuss and demonstrate the step of making a milk formula and feeding a newborn baby. To make milk formula, you will need the following: clean and sterilized bottles, cups, bottle nipples. But before preparing milk formula, wash hands with soap and water and clean your working surface. To start, boil 1 liter of fresh tap water in a heater or a kettle. Don't use water that's been used before. Now leave it to cool down 30 minutes so that it remains a temperature of at least 70 degrees Celsius. It needs to be hot enough to kill any bacteria that might be in the powder. For putting the formula powder, always read the packaging carefully and use the amount of formula powder and water as recommended in the instruction. For the correct amount of boiled water in the sterilized bottle, then using the scoop provided, add the required amount of formula powder. Make sure the level of scoop with a knife. Mix the formula by gently shaking the bottle side by side. You will need to cool the formula so it's the right temperature to drink by holding it by cold running water. To check if the same temperature to drink, shake a few drops of milk from the tip onto the side of your wrist. It should feel like warm. Using a formula milk, this time to feed your baby, a good position to feed your baby is in upright position. 45-degree angle is a great angle to have your newborn enduring a feed. Do not want the bottle to be upright. This is going to cause too much formula to drip off the nipple and into your baby's mouth. Make sure that there is formula filling the nipple. At all times, you can even do some check to support the enjoy the feed of your baby. Feeding the baby is a happy time for them. After you feed the baby, discard any milk left in the bottle to prevent spoiling and avoid bacteria contamination. Babies are perfect examples of listening to their bodies, cues in eating when hungry and stopping when full. Hello everyone, I'm Rowena Taton and I'm going to demonstrate on how to burp a baby. Burping your baby isn't always easy. Actually, many parents consider it a challenge. Now we're going to demonstrate 3 burping techniques. Over the shoulder upright with the head resting on your shoulder, pat the back with your hand. Cupping your hands slightly, gentler, a flattened palm. Sitting on your lap. Sit your baby on your lap, supporting the chin and chest with one hand. Rub or pat the back with your other hand. Use repeated, gently pats on your baby's back. Lying across your lumps. Rest your baby face down on your lump and gently rub or pat the back. Cloth nearby in case your baby split ups.